Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
Today is part 3 of the same problem. You're probably wondering what exactly should I find here. We found the answer with two methods and still I want something from you, or rather I want to explain you something. Before going any further, let's solve this problem in most formal way. Let's say that it is x. And of course I can send x down, but I just want to send it up. It's my wish. I own this chalkboard and I can direct positive numbers up, not down. And I can send that this is, say that this is 0. So the position of the first body is at x equals 0. And then I can start writing equation x1. And x1, remember, x should be x0 plus v0 t plus at squared over 2. So this is a coordinate of the body at any given moment t. So I put t lowercase to indicate that this t capital is the moment when they meet, and t may be any moment, and during this moment we can find the coordinate of the body. So the first body, x0 is correct, x0 is 0. v0 t, it goes with plus or with minus? Of course it goes with up, and up is a positive direction, so it would be v0 t plus at. Acceleration is down, so boom, minus gt squared over 2. And notice I write t lowercase because I want to tell that this is a coordinate at any moment t, at any given moment. Let's go to the second body, x1, x2. Okay, at the initial moment the body is located here, and this distance is d, so this coordinate is d. v0 is directed down, so it would be minus v0t, and it would be minus gt squared over 2, right? And this is the two formulas for the first body and for the second at any given moment. Here is a trick. We want to say that t equal t capital, the moment when they meet. And during this moment, x1 becomes xt, because they are located at the same coordinate. Like at some time, this is x1 and this is xt. And then x1 would be bigger and xt would be even more bigger. And finally, this would be when they all would be at the same point, and this would be the moment of their collision or meeting. Let's hope they don't collide, they pass by nearby. So this would be what it is. So instead of t, we put this, and we make them equal. So I can do one step at a time, but I can put it together, and I write v0 instead of x1, and x1 is this, and instead of t I write t capital. So I do several things at once, so it requires attention, but hopefully we will do okay. v0t minus gt squared equals, this would be this, x2. x2 is equal d minus v0, and again, instead of t we type t capital, because this is only when t lowercase equal t uppercase, because this is the moment when they meet, and minus gt squared. And we look on this beauty and we say that the only thing that's unknown is t. V known is no, v0 we know it, g we know it, d we know it, v0. So t is not the only thing that are known. And everything is very similar. So minus gt squared they are gone. V0t is the same, goes here. We have 2V0t equal d, and we have t equal d over 2V0. And we have the same result, and again, you may ask me, what do I want from you? And I want from you something else, and this something else we will discuss in the part 4 of this problem. And you will see this problem the moment I publish, but for that you need to subscribe, bell, like, write a comment if you want, write a question, put your own problem, and I see you next time. Thank you.